Are you tired of feeling drained, mentally, physically, emotionally, day after day? Are you someone who wakes up already feeling low on energy, already stressed, already fighting the day? You're not alone. In today's fast-moving, tension-filled lifestyle, from 15-year-olds to 50-year-olds, everyone is carrying invisible burdens. But here's the big truth. Even when life weighs you down, your body's need for strength, vitality, and wellness does not stop. And to fuel that natural drive for better health, we must give our body the right tools. One powerful tool? Moringa. Today, I'm going to explain how this ancient superfood can become your modern-day health partner. And if you stay till the end, I'll also answer some of your burning questions live. Let's dive deep. Now, before we talk about Moringa, let's address the root problem. Our modern life is a non-stop race. Constant deadlines, financial pressure, poor sleep, junk food, pollution. Under all this pressure, our body is silently begging for rescue. And guess what? The rescue doesn't come from energy drinks or shortcuts. It comes from consistent, scientifically proven nutrition. To maintain and rebuild your body's strength, you must ensure these 4 non-negotiables are met through your diet. Your food must nourish every cell with essential nutrients. Your food must build your body's defense army against new diseases. Your food must empower your body to fight existing internal damage. Your blood must stay clean, purified, and full of life. And now, the exciting part. Moringa, yes. This simple, ancient green miracle naturally supports all these 4 critical areas. Moringa isn't some new foreign discovery. No, it's been a part of our heritage for 5,000 plus years. In Ayurveda and Unani medicine, even our own grandparents and great-grandparents nurtured moringa trees in their backyards. They knew, even without scientific labs, what science is only now proving. Moringa is a complete powerhouse for the body. Major benefits Moringa. Let's now break down the 4 major science-backed benefits of Moringa. 1. Anti-inflammatory warrior. Modern science shows that chronic inflammation is the root of almost every major disease: heart disease, diabetes, brain fog, arthritis, even erectile dysfunction. Moringa naturally fights inflammation at the root. It acts like a firefighter inside your body, calming the burning fires of disease. 2. Complete nutrition bomb. Moringa leaves are loaded with vitamins, essential minerals like magnesium, iron, calcium, potassium, quality proteins, good fats, and antioxidants. Compared to common vegetables like spinach, Moringa often beats them by 2x or even 5x in nutritional content. If your cells are starving for building material, Moringa is like feeding them a 5-star meal. 3. Blood purification and detox. Poor lifestyle equals toxic blood. Toxins accumulate from stress, bad food, pollution, and even internal hormonal imbalances. Moringa helps clean this blood, supporting liver detox and kidney function naturally. It's like giving your body a daily internal spa. 4. Oxidant and toxin killer. Every day your body produces free radicals, bad actors that attack your tissues, your skin, your internal organs. Moringa's antioxidants stop these villains in their tracks, reducing visible aging, protecting your organs, and boosting your overall lifespan potential. How to use Moringa. Now comes the important part. How should you start using Moringa today? Simple. Use it in its most natural, least processed form, the powder. I personally prefer high-quality Moringa leaf powder, sourced from trusted brands who wash, dry, and powder the leaves properly with no added chemicals. I add 1 to 3 teaspoons of Moringa powder into daily cooked vegetables. Moringa's flavor is so mild that it won't even change your food's taste. Other easy ways: mix it into your fruit salads, blend it into your morning smoothies, sprinkle it into your soups or homemade dips. Children, adults, and elders, everyone can safely include it into their daily diet. And remember, consistency is key. 1 spoon today, 2 tomorrow. That's how health transformation begins. A small but important warning: not all Moringa products in the market are safe. Always check for third-party testing certifications. Cheap quality Moringa can be contaminated with heavy metals, which will harm you instead of healing you. Friends, you have 2 choices. Keep living a stressed, drained life and wait for diseases to hit you in your 30s, 40s, 50s, or start giving your body the respect, nourishment, and defense it deserves today. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how your body responds with more energy, more vitality, and more life. Moringa is not magic. It's science and tradition combined. Make it a part of your lifestyle, and the results will follow naturally.